I really hope that this week is going to be a great week for you. I'm going to be giving away a whole bunch of stuff today as well as on Friday. Today is the Thanksgiving giveaway and Friday is Black Friday. But rather than just giving discounts on products, I'm going to be giving away a whole bunch of stuff. I'm hoping that you'll be one of the winners. You need to be really quick to win some of my giveaways. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure that you click on the bell to get notifications. Otherwise, you may miss out on the giveaways. In this video, you have the opportunity to win Apple gift cards, Hak5 gift cards, live training from Kevin Wallace, Boson ExSim software that will help you prepare for the CEH certification exam, or AWS or Azure certifications. You're also going to have the opportunity to win Blue Team security training, as well as a very large AWS prize and some additional surprises in this video. So right off the bat, here's an Apple gift card, $25 Apple gift card. First person that uses that code gets $25. Did you miss out? Well, here's another one, $50 Apple gift card. Make sure that you watch the entire video to win multiple surprise giveaways during this video. I really need you to watch the entire video because otherwise it messes up my YouTube stats. I love giving stuff away, but giveaways really do cause problems with my YouTube statistics. So make sure that you watch the entire video so that you can win one of the prizes mentioned or some additional prizes that I haven't mentioned. One of the things I've collaborated with Kevin on is courses on Udemy. I convinced Kevin to put some of his content on Udemy. As an example, he's got an updated Network Plus course. If you want access to the latest Network Plus course, the N10008, you can use the link below to get the course for $9.99. I've put a whole bunch of links below for various Udemy courses that you can buy at $9.99. Now it is Black Friday week, so this is the week to buy courses, because a lot of courses are discounted, including this discount of $9.99 for Kevin's Network Plus course, as well as other courses which I've listed below. But one of the things I'm doing is collaborating with instructors such as Kevin to give you more training options. And one of those is Kevin's masterclass. This is priced really aggressively. I can't believe that in the old days, we used to pay $4,000 or $5,000 for a CCNP course or CCNA course, maybe $3,000, whatever those prices were. Kevin is now offering a 16-hour masterclass for CCNP ENCOR for the price of $197. Now, there are different options, $197, $397, and $497. Those prices will increase at the end of this month, but 3 people are going to win access to the gold admission. That gives you access to live training from Kevin. It gives you access to Zoom calls after the training, gives you access to recorded training, gives you access to his CCNP ENCOR training, which is different to the training on Udemy. So 3 people will win access to Kevin's masterclass. Use this link to enter, or if you want to purchase this, use the links below this video. Okay, so how about this one? First 100 people that use this link will get my CCNA course for free. I'm really happy to say that I'm working more closely with Hak5. Hak5 is a fantastic company. Darren is really well known in the cybersecurity space. Really happy to announce that one person is going to win a $50 Hak5 gift card and one person is going to win a $100 Hak5 gift card. Use this link to enter. One person gets $50, one person gets $100. Use that to buy, for instance, a rubber ducky or something else from Hak5. I'll be giving away more Hak5 gift cards on Friday, so make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell. I'm saying that multiple times because honestly, if you're not quick, you're going to miss out on some of the giveaways. Okay, here's another Apple gift card. First person that uses this code gets a $100 Apple gift card. Now, I'm working more and more closely with Boson Software. They're a fantastic company. They've been giving me a lot of stuff to give to you. I'm also collaborating with them on the Boson Bumble 8 Weeks to CCNA program. This is a live training. Make sure that you watch the video on Friday where you have the opportunity to win a place on the Boson Bumble CCNA 8-week program. But today I'm going to be giving away ExSim software. If you're studying for your CEH as an example, so you want to take your CEH exam, the Boson software can help you prepare for that exam. I highly recommend the Boson software if you want to prepare for an exam, CEH or CCSP as an example. So use this code if you want to win one of the Boson ExSims for Microsoft Azure or CEH or CSSP or AWS certs. 3 people are going to win 1 ExSim with a value of $99. Okay, but what about this? First 100 people that use this code will get access to my Python for Network Engineers course. Now, someone else who's really trying to help the community is Josh. Josh has created the Cyber Supply Drop. This is a non-profit where people can contribute money so that Josh can buy products and give them away. I really want to thank him for arranging a big AWS prize today. One person is going to win Adrian's All the Things AWS training. The value of this is $480. This is a fantastic giveaway if you want to learn AWS technologies. Use this link to enter to win $480 worth of AWS training. Josh has also arranged that 2 people will win the Blue Team Junior Analyst Training Bundle worth £80 or about $107 depending on the exchange rate. If you want to be on the blue team and you want to learn about open source intelligence or threat hunting or network analysis, vulnerability management, and other training that's part of this bundle, use this link to enter. I really want to thank Josh for arranging these 2 fantastic giveaways. Now, I launched the David Bumble membership program a while ago. I've been working in the background to try and improve this, and I'm really happy that in the coming weeks and months, you're going to see a massive amount of content added to this program. I don't want to say too much at the moment, but this program costs $37 a month, gives you access to all my training, gives you access to software such as the Boson ExSim software. I'm really happy to say that the Netsim will also be part of this program in the coming weeks and months. I'm also happy to say that you'll get access to Kevin Wallace's live training classes. Now, if you enroll in this program, you get different courses at different times. As an example, you won't get to the Boson ExSim on the very first month. You have to be subscribed for a period of time to get access to the software. But I'm trying to add more and more bonuses, more and more extras. So those of you who stay enrolled in this program get more and more stuff, depending on how long you've subscribed for. Now, 10 people are going to win access to this program for 1 year. That's a value of over $400. So 10 people will get access to 12 months of the David Bumble membership program. Use this link to enter. Now, as always, I hope you enjoy the giveaways. I hope that it helps you. Please put in the comments below the types of stuff that you want me to give away. I'm going to be running another big giveaway on Black Friday, even bigger than this giveaway. So hopefully you win something. Hopefully you enjoy these giveaways. Please make sure that you subscribe and click on the bell to get notifications. Otherwise, you may miss out on the giveaways.